Did you know that over 20% of men over the age of 30 have low testosterone levels? And it's not just age, diet, and lifestyle play a significant role too. Testosterone, often referred to as the male hormone, is key to a man's health and vitality. It's responsible for muscle growth, bone density, and even your sex drive. But when levels drop, you might experience symptoms like fatigue, low mood, and a decrease in muscle mass. Low testosterone doesn't only affect your physical health, it impacts your mental well-being too. It can lead to mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. It's a silent issue that many men grapple with, often without realizing the root cause. But here's the good news, it's not a life sentence. There are ways to naturally boost your testosterone levels and reclaim your energy, drive, and vitality. So, how can we boost our testosterone levels naturally? Let's dive into it. Exercise, particularly weightlifting and high-intensity interval training, has been proven to boost testosterone. Indeed, breaking a sweat isn't just about getting those abs or losing a few pounds, it's also a natural and effective way to keep your testosterone levels in check. And it's not just about the testosterone either. Exercise, especially weightlifting and high-intensity interval training, offers a plethora of other health benefits. It's a calorie burner, it increases oxygen consumption, and it helps to keep your blood pressure and blood sugar levels on an even keel. Remember, testosterone isn't just made in the body out of thin air. It requires effort, and that effort comes in the form of physical activity. So whether it's lifting weights at the gym, doing sprint intervals in your local park, or just cranking out a high-intensity workout in your living room, exercise is a crucial part of maintaining healthy testosterone levels. So don't skip that workout, your testosterone levels depend on it. What we eat matters. Lowering cholesterol through a low-fat diet can lead to decreased testosterone levels. A surprising fact, isn't it? That's because testosterone is actually made from cholesterol. So when we talk about fats, it's crucial to differentiate between the good and the bad. Including adequate amounts of good fats in your diet is important for testosterone production. These are the fats found in foods like avocados, eggs, nuts, and olive oil. On the other hand, bad fats, like those found in processed foods and fried items, can lead to health problems and should be avoided. Now, let's talk about protein. Protein intake plays a vital role in maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Foods like fatty fish, dark leafy green vegetables, and eggs are rich sources of protein that can support testosterone production. A balanced diet that includes these foods can help your body maintain optimal testosterone levels. But the role of diet doesn't end here. We also need to be aware of certain chemicals that can disrupt our hormonal balance. For instance, estrogenic chemicals, such as BPA found in plastics, can have negative effects on our testosterone levels. You can reduce exposure by choosing BPA-free products, limiting packaged foods, and drinking from glass bottles instead of plastic ones. Also, watch out for soy products in non-organic foods. They can disrupt hormonal balance and lower testosterone levels. So next time you're shopping, try to opt for organic, natural foods whenever possible. In summary, the food we put on our plates plays a significant role in determining our testosterone levels. Good fats, ample protein, and a conscious effort to avoid hormone-disrupting chemicals can help us maintain a healthy balance. Remember, our diets are not just about satisfying our hunger, they're about fueling our bodies with the right nutrients. So, choose your foods wisely. They have the potential to either boost or bust your testosterone. And that's not all. In the next scene, we'll explore another crucial aspect of maintaining healthy testosterone levels: sleep. Sleep is not just for rest, it's for testosterone too. Now, you might be wondering how sleep and testosterone are linked. Well, research has shown that good quality sleep is a powerful testosterone booster. During sleep, your body works like a well-tuned orchestra, conducting a symphony of hormonal activities, including the production of testosterone. 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night is considered beneficial for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. But it's not just about the quantity of sleep, but also the quality. A peaceful night's sleep, free from disturbances, allows your body to fully rejuvenate and optimize hormone production, including testosterone. Sleep deprivation or inconsistent sleep schedules can disrupt this hormonal harmony and lead to lower testosterone levels. So, if you're staying up late binge-watching your favorite series or working through the night, you might want to reconsider your habits. So, make sure you're getting enough sleep. Your testosterone levels will thank you. Lifestyle factors like vitamin D intake, alcohol consumption, and stress management play a crucial role in testosterone production. Our daily habits and lifestyle choices can greatly impact our testosterone levels. For instance, vitamin D, often known as the sunshine vitamin, is more than just a vitamin. It's a hormone that plays a vital role in many bodily functions, including testosterone production. A deficiency in vitamin D may be associated with decreased testosterone levels. So getting enough sunshine or taking a vitamin D supplement can help increase testosterone levels. However, it's important to remember that the relationship between vitamin D and testosterone is complex and still under research. Next up, let's talk about alcohol. While a glass of wine or beer here and there may not cause significant harm, excessive alcohol consumption can have a considerable negative impact on testosterone levels and testicular health. Alcohol can disrupt the balance of hormones in your body, leading to a decrease in testosterone. Moderation is key when it comes to alcohol consumption. Another significant lifestyle factor is stress. Chronic stress and high levels of the stress hormone cortisol can disrupt hormone balance and reduce testosterone levels. It's crucial to manage stress effectively to maintain healthy testosterone levels. This might involve relaxation exercises, deep breathing, mindfulness, or even seeking support from a counselor or a trusted friend. Remember, while these lifestyle changes can help boost your testosterone levels, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before undertaking any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. They can provide guidance based on your specific health conditions and needs. A healthy lifestyle is key to maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Weight, carbs, and supplements. What's their role in testosterone production? Let's dive right into it, starting off with weight. It's no secret that maintaining a healthy weight is beneficial for overall health, but did you know it can also affect your testosterone levels? That's right. Excess body fat has the ability to convert testosterone into estradiol, a form of estrogen. This conversion process can result in lower testosterone levels and a host of unwanted symptoms. Therefore, shedding those extra pounds is not only good for your waistline, but also for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Next, let's talk about carbs. Carbohydrates are a crucial part of our diet, providing the energy we need to function. However, overconsumption of carbs, particularly in the form of sugar, can increase insulin levels. This insulin surge can suppress testosterone production, creating a counterproductive cycle. So, while carbs are important, moderation is key. Consider cutting out sugar and high-sugar beverages from your diet to help increase testosterone levels. Lastly, we delve into the world of supplements. Certain supplements like zinc and Korean red ginseng are known to boost testosterone production. However, it's important to remember that these supplements work best when used as a part of a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. Simply put, supplements are not a magic bullet, but they can give your body the extra nudge it needs to naturally increase testosterone levels. We cannot forget the benefits of cocoa products. Cocoa is rich in magnesium and flavonoid antioxidants that can enhance testosterone production. Certain flavonoids found in cocoa may have a positive impact on testosterone levels. So, go ahead and indulge in some dark chocolate, but remember, moderation is key. To sum up, weight loss, cutting out sugar, and incorporating certain supplements into your diet can all contribute to a natural boost in testosterone levels. However, these strategies work best when combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle. Keep in mind, boosting testosterone is not just about one thing, it's about a combination of factors. So boosting testosterone naturally is not just possible, it's doable. Let's quickly recap our 12 tips. Exercise, particularly weightlifting and high-intensity interval training, can lead to elevated testosterone levels. A diet rich in good fats, proteins, and devoid of excessive sugar helps maintain healthy testosterone levels. Sound sleep, ideally 7 to 8 hours a night, is critical. Avoiding estrogenic chemicals found in plastics and maintaining a balanced diet inclusive of vitamin D can help keep your testosterone levels up. Moderating alcohol consumption, managing stress, and maintaining a healthy weight are crucial. Carbohydrates can suppress testosterone production, so consider reducing your sugar intake. Supplements like zinc and Korean red ginseng can assist in boosting testosterone production. Finally, cocoa products, rich in magnesium and flavonoid antioxidants, may enhance testosterone production. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is the best way to boost your testosterone levels naturally. Now that you are equipped with the knowledge to boost your testosterone levels naturally, it's time to share this valuable information. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your friends, family, or anyone you think might benefit from it. And if you're interested in more health and wellness tips like these, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We regularly post videos full of practical tips to help you live a healthier, happier life. Remember, knowledge is power. When you share this video, you're sharing the power to live a healthier life. So go ahead, share the power.